Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add friends in CoinMaster. You're going to type CoinMaster into the Google search and go into the CoinMaster website. Here you've got all of the answers to all of the help that you need, from how to play, to cards, to friends. You're going to press into the friends and teams section, and here you've got all of the questions about how can I invite my friends, how can I play with my friends. You're going to press into the invite friends to play CoinMaster, which is the fifth one from the top. Once you've pressed that link, you're going to get this picture. How to invite people from to CoinMaster, you might think it's from WhatsApp, from Messenger, and from any other sort of email invitation. As soon as your friend joins, all they need to do is fill up the bar by spinning, by completing villages, and then once he's joined, you get a free 150 spins in order for you to play for free. So you don't have to buy any more spins. You get that 150 spins. So the more friends you invite, of course, the better it is for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.